How to delete Spotify account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as our channel is really small and every subscription helps us grow and it helps us to stay motivated to post more. So now let's head to the video. Thank you for subscribing. First thing, you cannot delete your account through Spotify, so you have to open Chrome and you have to search for Spotify. Once you search for Spotify, you have to open it and you have to log in your Spotify account. Maybe you have logged in through your mail account or your phone number. You have to log in again. Then you have to click on the settings on the top right. Once you log in this and click on your settings, you have to click on support. Then you have to search delete. Here you'll get the first option of close your account and deleting your data. So you have to click on close your account and deleting your data. Then there will be two options that will show up: close your premium account and delete your data, or close your free account. So I currently have a free account, so I'm going to click on close on free account. Then it will ask you, are you sure you want to continue with all this? This is your exact data. You have to click on continue. What do you need to know? Access to your account and management setting. Everything will be deleted. Your username, it can't be used again. You have to click on I understand and you have to click on continue. Then it will ask you a 6-digit code on whatever way you have logged in. If you have logged in through your phone number, it will send you the code. If you have logged in with your mail, it will send you a mail on your Gmail address, the code. Once you put the verification code here and click on close account, your account will be permanently closed. But also remember, the 7 days, within 7 days you can reactivate your account. But once it's closed, it's closed. After 7 days you cannot reactivate your account, but for 7 days they will send you another code just in case you want to reactivate your account. Or if you sign in Spotify and click on reactivate, it will reactivate your account. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.